What is documentation block? Documentation block is the header of any C program structure, which is mainly consist of a set of comments that is used to provide information about the program written down, like name of a program, utility of program, date of creation, date of last modification, author name, licensing or copyrights information, and any other information that programmer wish to put for the reference. Here is some examples, guys. You can see the example for reference. You can so that you will understand the concept, like program name, like it can be first program or it can be second program or anything. Then version, which version, description, author name, date of creation, like that. Preprocessor statements. It is the section where we define all the preprocessor directive. This statement begins with a hash symbol. This statement tells the compiler to include C preprocessor directives such as header files and constants prior to compilation of the C program. Preprocessor statements are further categorized as below. Link preprocessor and definition preprocessor. Now, what is link preprocessor? The preprocessor directive tells the compiler to link the function from system library. Example, hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. Now we will see the definition preprocessor. It is the section where we define all our symbolic constant we gonna use in our program. As an example, like define pi value as 3.142, define false as 0, etc. What is global declaration? This is the section where all the global variable and function declaration comes. All the variables and functions which are defined or declared outside the main function are taken as global. What is main function? It is the most vital part of each and every C program. It is mandatory for any C program to have only one main function. C program cannot be executed without the main function. It is illegal to terminate it by semicolon. The main function is building block where all the logic of the program comes into the picture. The main is responsible for the execution of all user-defined statement, functions, and library functions. The main function further structured into local variable declaration, function declaration, and user-defined executable statements. Now we will see the local declaration. So what is local declaration? In this section, we declare all the variable that we will be used in the main function. Here we can also declare array, functions, pointers, etc. These variable can also be initialized with basic data types and initial values. For example, int sum equal to 0, which means the value of sum will be an integer value. Int a, the value of a will be an integer value. Float b, which means the value of it will be a float value. All the local variable declaration is done in variable declaration section. Main function can further have the declaration for user-defined function. Main function can further have the declaration for user-defined functions. all the user-defined functions definition appears immediately after the main function. Program statement. It is the section where we place our main logic of the program, which included the executable statements that tell the computer to perform a specific action. Program statement can be an input-output statement, arithmetic statement, control statement, simple assignment statements, and any other statements, and it also includes comments that are enclosed within slash star and star slash. The comment statements are ignored during the compilation and execution of the program, and each executable statement must be ended with the semicolon. Main function should contain at least one executable statement. All statements in the declaration and executable parts end with a semicolon. So guys, if you like my video and if my video is useful for you, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So for next video, stay connected.